Hi, I'm John Lewis with Shoreline Truck Parts. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of our Kenworth HVAC box, part number K142-535-ss-3. It cross-references with K142-535-1 for the OEM part number. Our boxes are made of stainless steel. We use 304 18-gauge stainless for the majority of the box. And we also spot weld our box rather than riveting it together. So it's a very strong box, and it's going to last you pretty much a lifetime. We also give a lifetime warranty of the box itself, that it's not going to corrode on you. 1-year warranty on internal parts. This box comes with a heater core, evaporator, free switch, an expansion valve, gasket set, fresh air intake, and as well as the wiring harness. It'll work from 1995 to year 2001 Kenworth W900, T800, T600. Any of those trucks in those range is most likely going to fit. But if you do have any questions about fitment, just give us a call at 616-834-1503 or hit us up on our email at sales@shorelinetruckparts.com. Again, I want to thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot.